Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. We are looking at our spelling words this week. So far, we have done move, which is our base word or root word, moving, which has the suffix ing added to our base word or root word. And when we write a suffix that starts with a vowel with the base word, if it ends in a E, that base word, you write the base word without the silent E because your suffix started with a vowel. So that's a spelling rule. And then we had the word work, and we added the suffix ed for worked. And ed is making its third sound t in the word worked. The suffix ed, it normally will change a verb, an action word, from present tense to past tense. Okay, so that's ed's special job. It changes the tense. It changes when the verb happened. So when we're communicating, this thing happened, right? We could say, yeah, I will pick my favorite color shirt. Yesterday, I picked my favorite color shirt. So it tells you the picking happened when? Yesterday, if we have ed, or not yesterday, but just in the past. Could be yesterday, could be many, many days ago. Our next word is going to also have the base word move. And this time, we are going to add the suffix, which is an ending, a suffix comes at the end of a word. We're going to add the suffix okay? But it's going to be plural, so it's ers. Now, when you're adding or to a base word, it typically makes that word become a person. It's really interesting. So right now, the word move, what part of speech is move? Is it a noun? Is it a verb? Is it an adjective? What's move? Move is a verb. Yes, a verb, because it's something you do. Okay? Well, when I'm gonna watch this, I'm gonna add the suffix in a moment. Okay? Let's build it on our hands first, phonetically, with our phonograms. If the phonogram has 2 or more letters combined, that is a team, okay? And we put our fingers together. So let's see, move, ready? Fist up, move. Okay, this hand, move. Those were for syllables because move, there's 1 syllable, right? Move, ooh, that's ah-o-oo, that's O saying its third sound. V. Oh, I'm adding the suffix er. ER. So I don't write move with the silent final E because I'm adding the suffix mover. Okay? So ER, and s, oo, v, s. Okay? Movers. Let's write movers together. Ooh, v, This makes it plural. Plural means more than one. Movers. So there's people now. If you're moving someplace, you might hire movers to come and help you move. Movers. Makes it become a noun. And this is a plural noun because I have S. I wrote move without the silent final E because my suffix starts with a vowel. What is the vowel that our suffix starts with? E. That's why you don't have silent E there. Let's mark. Oo, v, once, because it's a 2-letter phonogram. Together that says and s. Movers. Great. Let's add it to our bracket. Okay. My base word is move. My ending is ers. I must write move without the silent final E because my suffix starts with a vowel. Okay? Great job, everyone. Our next word we're going to look at is forgot. Okay, the base word or root word is forgot. What I want you to think about is how many syllables are in the word forgot. Forgot, 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 forgot. There's lots of ways you can do it. Forgot has 2 syllables. Let's build it on our hands. Syllables first. For, got. Or, that's O-R, it's a phonogram. For, g. See how I turned my hand? G. Ah, t. Forgot. Great, let's write our base word, forgot. Say the sounds with me. Or, let's leave a space to show the separate syllable. G, ah, t. Forgot. Excellent job. Let's mark. Or, we're going to underline it once because it's a 2-letter phonogram. G, ah, t. Forgot. Now, our base word is forgot, and some people might say, oh, this is a compound word. There's 2 words inside forgot. There's the word for, as in this is for you, not the number 4, that's spelled with O-U. And the word got. Base words, so normally if there are 2 words to make a compound word, the words involved are adding to the meaning of the word, like spaceship, okay? Forgot isn't telling you what it is. Like spaceship is telling you that it's a ship that goes to space. It gives you meaning when it's a compound word. This is just a base word or a root word. On its own, it means forgot. You have forgotten something, you no longer can think of it. Now, the reason I'm talking about that is because we do have a word inside forgot that I want to pay attention to. And it's the word got. And it's not because it's a compound word, it's because the word got, when you add the suffix en, en to the space word, which is one of our spelling words, forgotten, forgotten. Got does something, and it does something because of what kind of word it is, okay? So I want to draw your attention to that. Got is a special kind of word. Got is a one word, a one word. What that means is got is 1 syllable, got. There's 1 vowel, O, followed by 1 consonant at the end of the word, okay? Anytime you have 1 syllable, 1 vowel, and 1 consonant at the end of the word, that word is a special English type of word called a 1-1-1 word. And the reason I'm talking about it is because 1-1-1 words do something when you add a vowel suffix. Okay, so our vowel suffix we're adding is en, forgotten. Oh, what have I forgotten? It's a new word, forgotten. When you're adding the suffix en, it starts with a vowel, so a 1-1-1 word will double the second consonant, okay? It's gonna double the T. It does, because it's a 1-1-1 word. So here's how that goes. My base word is forgot. My ending is en. I must write forgot and double the T, because my base word forgot has a 1-1-1 word, and my ending en starts with a vowel, okay? So let's look at let me show you what that means, what I'm talking about. Let's look at the word forgot, forgotten, okay? For, got. I'm gonna double the T. I'm gonna write another T, and I'm writing another T because it's an English spelling rule. Because got is a 1-1-1 word, I double the T when adding the suffix that starts with a vowel. Okay, and why did we double the T? Because this is a 1-1-1 word. Okay, so our base word is forgot. Inside forgot is got. All right, so let's build it. Ready? 3 syllables. Forgot 10. Forgot 10. Ready? Watch my fist. I'm going to go forgot. I don't have another hand. So I bring this one over. 10. Forgot 10. Forgot 10. Or g a t t e n. Let's do it again. I know I just switched them. Or 2-letter g a t t e n. Forgotten. And let's mark. Or once g a t t e n. Now again, this T got doubled because got is a 1-1-1 word. So we double the second consonant because this starts with a vowel. Okay, great job. Our next word is forgetful. Sometimes Mrs. Griffin is forgetful. Forgetful, ready? Fist up. Forgetful. Listen, forgetful. Can you figure out how many times we're gonna have to drop for syllables? For, get, full. Or, g, et, ul. Forgetful. Now, forgetful, when you write the suffix full, which we are, it's forget plus full. Typically, when full is written all by itself, it's spelled with 2 L's, F-U-L-L, and it means full of. So you're full of forget. That's what forgetful means. You're full of forget. That's not proper English, but it's what the word means. So let's write forgetful now. Okay, ready? For, g, e. See, this was now it's e, it's an e. Forget. Does our suffix start with a vowel? Full. Does full start with a vowel? A-E-I-O-U. Full. It doesn't. So we do not double this T. Forgetful, you do not double the T because our suffix does not start with a vowel. Full. When you're writing forgetful when you're writing full as a suffix, it's spelled with only 1 L. But when you're writing full alone, like my bucket is full of markers, it's full, you write it with 2 L's, okay? That's another English suffix rule. Let's go ahead and bracket. So we have our base word, forgot. This one has our ending N. And this one has our ending full. Okay? And that is our base word. So here we have the suffix. Oops, throwing my marker. I'll use a different color, that's okay. So this is the suffix N. This is the suffix full, and I'm gonna write it with 2 L's because it's by itself. But when full is written as a suffix, it's written only with 1 L. Okay. And then the other word I did with you was movers. This is our suffix, and the suffix changes a word from a verb to a noun, to a person. Like, I like to bake. Okay, bake is something I do, bake. So that would make me a baker. See, I'm a baker. It's a person, it's a noun. So usually has to do with the person. Baker, mover. Okay. Great job, everyone. That was 4 spelling words we did today. Awesome job.